There are vast amounts of techniques to decorate a floor of a home. The floor is the secret key to open up our regular living space. Nowadays, there are many different ways to decorate our homes. In this video I am going to give you an impartial review when I am covering 5 best knife for cutting vinyl flooring in the market, which are the best for you. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance or its particular user use, if you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. And don't forget to subscribe. So let's get started. Number 1. Norsk Tools 13-inch Vinyl Flooring Cutter. A vinyl plank cutter from Norsk Tools Limited is a great option when a proper plank cut is required. A standard-sized vinyl flooring cutter, it can cut planks 13 inches wide and 19/32 inches in thickness. Using the procedure is easy and also lightweight. The cutter weighs 13 pounds, which helps to carry it to different workstations and places. The knife of the cutter is fine in quality. No other power source is necessary for operating the cutter. Only the lever must be pulled down, while the vinyl slides are under the cutting head. The end product, after cutting, gets a precise cut and clean edges. That makes the planks easy to get fit in the necessary positions. Also, splintering portions are not observed after cutting. A better quality of steel and aluminum structure helps give this kind of structure a sustainable performance. Number 2. Mantistel MC330-133 Pro Vinyl Floor Cutter. Cut Tools Mantistel MC330 Pro Vinyl Floor Cutter won't be a bad option for cutting vinyl planks. This cutter has a durable body structure with a hex head style blade. A sustainable body made with sturdy, good quality steel and heavy-duty aluminum construction gives a top-notch performance. The width of the cutting blades is 13 inches, and they can cut inches. Blades are consumable after it's dull. It can be adjusted after the sides are changed. Generally, half of the blade is used. It can be adjusted while the other half is sharpened. Also included with grit honed stone to keep it sharp. Gives a fine clean edge cut with no dust and shattered part of the plank. Blades are set at a 45-degree angle. Any kind of power source is not required. The hand press is operational. The lever needs to be pressed down to cut the necessary slides. Also, no noise is made during the operation. Number 3. Mantistel 133 Pro Vinyl Floor Cutter. Mantistel 133 Pro Vinyl Floor Cutter from Cut Tool Limited is an absolute choice for vinyl floor cutting. With a 13 or 9 inches wide blade and 8 inches thickness cutting ability, a proper professional cutter for vinyl planks. It is a complete package with a 0 to 45-degree angular 2.2 mm thick tungsten steel blade. Cutters like these cut planks into a clean edge end product. It easily fits into necessary positions without producing any dust and noise. Mechanical structures are made of aluminum that weighs 14 pounds. One of the critical features of the product is removable blades. That helps to cut vinyl planks in a rectangular shape from the middle of the specimen. This can be possible with the adjustment of the blade. It comes with a 600 grit oil stone to keep sharp. That helps it remain sharp and from becoming dull. A blade can be dull after 500 square feet of installation. Number 4. Chili Tools Linoleum Knife. Chili Tools Linoleum Knife is a tremendous tool for cutting vinyl floors manually. A knife with a carbon steel blade is quite a good tool for manual vinyl floor cutting. This type of curved pointed blade can be used for multiple purposes. The inner edges of the blade are sharpened for a clean cut along the edges of vinyl planks. The tapered portion of the knife is applicable for cutting. The knife can also crease the vinyl planks along the corner between the floor and the wall. This handy knife is also used for pulling up attached vinyl flooring slides when necessary. With a hammer, the knife's thin blade can be inserted beneath the flooring slides to pull that over. Further, the ergonomically designed handle is easy to hold with a proper grip. The handle comprises 15% polypropylene polymer and 35% thermoplastic rubber that is non-toxic for health and fully recyclable. Number 5. Red Devil 4608 2.5-inch heavy-duty vinyl flooring knife. Red Devil's this 4.2 ounces knife is a heavy-duty tool for cutting vinyl floor planks. With a pointy curved design, the knife is able to cut any vinyl flooring slides. That is just a matter of time for this high carbon steel blade. The tapered portion is a beneficial part of the knife to initiate cutting vinyl flooring slides. The other edge of the knife is the non-sharpened portion. It is also used to make an impression on the material to generate a guideline to cut. The knife is also used for ripping attached vinyl flooring planks with some help from hammers. Blades of these knives are thin enough to insert beneath a flooring material for ripping off. For multiple purposes, the knives can be used. Using this type of sharp blade, the handle gives a better grip on the hand with a proper balance. The handle is made of non-toxic polymeric materials. There is a hanger hole to hang the knife. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it going to make your life much easier.